There has never been a better time to learn healing for self-care and helping others. This is Elsie Kerns, and I'm inviting you to go from stress to soothe, from overwhelmed to energized, fearful to grateful, and struggling to thriving. I'd like you to join me next Tuesday and Wednesday evening from 7 to 9 p.m. online for a Reiki healing class, level 1. You'll receive a complete PDF manual, a certificate of completion, and we'll be guiding you through a self-healing Reiki session. And this ancient art comes directly from your heart not only to yourself, but to others. So please click the link below. Come join us next Tuesday and Wednesday, July 28th, 29th, 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And we'll be recording this for replay. I would love to have the opportunity to share this ancient healing art from my heart to your heart. Click the link below. Come join us.